Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Google Chrome black screen issue on Windows 11. First, make sure Google Chrome is open. Look at the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the menu, click on Settings. When the Settings page opens, look at the left side and click on System. On the right side, you will see an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Click the toggle to turn it off. After turning it off, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch and wait for Chrome to restart. For most users, this step alone fixes the black screen problem. If the issue is still there, we will use a second method. Close Google Chrome completely. Go to your desktop and find the Google Chrome shortcut. Right-click on it and choose Properties. A new window will open. In the Target field, move your cursor to the very end of the text. Add one space. Then type --disable-GPU. Make sure it is written correctly. After that, click Apply and then click OK. Now open Google Chrome again using the shortcut. Chrome will now start without using the GPU, which can fix black screen issues caused by graphics drivers. Thanks for watching.